Give me a minute, I need to breathe. Like I need to breathe. Get it? I've been chasing dreams like my whole life. I've been running speed like the whole time. Minute, I need to breathe. Give me a minute, I need to breathe. Minute, I need to breathe. Give me a minute like I need to breathe. I've been chasing dreams like my whole life. I've been running speed like the whole time. Shoes dirty, my lungs heavy. I need to take a minute. Give me a minute, I need to breathe. Yeah. Give me a minute, I need to breathe. Let's get it. From day one, I've been running shit. Bambang, I'm a 354. Day two, I'm still killing it. Couple of years into this, you already know. I've been in it the whole time. Killing it the whole ride. Killing it the whole time. Cuff 'em up, strip 'em up in body bags. Somebody call 911. KWX is on the bit again. Emergency call. Alert, alert, alert to y'all weird niggas out there. I'm coming for you. Yeah, nigga, I'm on to you. And now your bitches, save that for another day. We gon' talk about it. Talk about it? No, I don't want to. Brag about it? No, I don't like to. I like to step back, take back, like take back, like take that, like I break that. I break that, like I stack stash. Tryna get money, I'm stacking cash. Tryna get paid, I'm getting. Fuck. Fuck. Doped up his hair right now.